In this video, I'm kinda surprised that not many people are talking about the Bitcoin price in the weekly time frame because Bitcoin is nearing the point of breakout of this massive falling wedge in the weekly time frame. So if you've been following the channel and you've been watching my Bitcoin videos, you know we've spotted this for a very long time. So before I give my thoughts on the market, consider subscribing to the channel right now if you learned something, and it only takes like 2 seconds of your time. It really means a lot to me. So let's begin. So right now Bitcoin again, as all of you know, is in this falling wedge, a very massive falling wedge pattern, which by the way is a reversal pattern to the upside. So I mentioned my targets actually, and I'll mention it again. The target is basically this resistance zone at starting at 28.7k to 31.7k. Basically 30k is the target if Bitcoin actually does break to the upside of this falling wedge. So first of all, if we do break to the upside, I'm of course expecting a retest, and then that's where it's going to be nice to put a nice long position right here. And be sure to use my Bybit affiliate link. The link is in the description if you want to long or short or trade Bitcoin. But if we actually do break to the upside of this falling wedge, it would be nice to wait for a retest as confirmation, and it would be nice to put in a big long position right here and then take profits at the target of 30k right here at this level of resistance or supply. Yeah, so basically, since we're in a bear market, usually the target of a falling wedge is at the top of the wedge, but again, we're in a bear market, so I'm going to stay realistic. The target, my personal target, is 30k. We may not reach there, but basically I'm expecting a huge move for the Bitcoin price if we actually do break above this falling wedge, because if you look closely, we have been respecting the support and resistance lines of this falling wedge. So clearly it is acting. Now definitely there's a chance Bitcoin can drop even lower right here. Let's zoom in. There's definitely a chance Bitcoin can drop lower right here to this level of the wedge at 14k. Yes, we can definitely see some lower lows for the Bitcoin price. It is possible, but what I'm warning is it is risky to think that, or to like wait for 10k, because right here when Bitcoin was in a bull market, many people were calling $100,000 Bitcoin. Everyone was calling that, but we didn't see that. So right now it is essentially, in my opinion, the same thing. Many people, everyone is calling $10,000 per Bitcoin, but we may not see it. Yes, there's a chance we may not see that. So yeah, basically calling 100k here in the bull market is the same as calling 10k in the bear market. So I believe this level right here, this range right here, is a decent spot to start dollar cost averaging in. And basically we are basically actually too close to support. There's a massive support zone lying below right here. That's between 10k to 14k. That's massive support right there. So essentially, I think right now is a safe bet to start DCAing into Bitcoin. But yeah, so that's the weekly. Now let's move to the 4-hourly time frame. So Bitcoin in the 4-hourly tried to break above resistance right here. We had a wick above it, but we failed to close the candle above, so we dropped back to support right here. Now the question is, will Bitcoin continue dumping to the downside to 15.6k? Probably. Now that's basically a possibility, but as long as Bitcoin holds support right here at 16.4k to 16.7k, then I believe we are going to be trading within this range right here, from 16.5k to around 18k. I believe we can trade within this range for a couple of days until Bitcoin decides which way it's going to head to. But again, if we fail to hold support right here at 16.3k, then we may be seeing 15.9k to 15.6k. So basically just hold support right here, and we may be trading within this range and we're good. So yeah, if you guys want to take advantage of the moves Bitcoin is doing and you want to trade Bitcoin, be sure to use my Bybit affiliate link. The link is in the description down below, and you can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as zero fees using my link. So if you're gonna sign up, don't forget to use my link for Bybit as well as BitGet. So join my Discord server. The link to my server is in the description down below as well. I post daily market signals and updates, so join my server. And don't forget, guys, follow me on Twitter right now. I post tweets every day as well about the market, so be sure to follow and subscribe. Watch this video that is being displayed on the screen right now.